First, who can tell me what a form is? What is a form? What is a form? Genesis?
Form is how a shape. Form is how something is shaped.
Thank you for sharing. There's something special about forms that make it different from shapes. They're related to shapes, but they're a little bit different. Why are they different? Brennan? Can you speak up, please?
Form is a 3D object.
A form is a 3D object. And what does that mean it has?
It has height, width, and depth.
And depth. And what is the thing that shapes don't have? When we draw a shape, it doesn't have one of those three things. Yeah, Jameson?
Yep.
It doesn't have depth. Are you ready to sing?
Yeah.
Forms have three things. Shapes do not. Wah, wah, wah. Ready? Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go.
Forms have three things.
Forms have three things. Height, width, depth. Height, width, depth. Height is how
high it is.
Width is how
Wide it is.
and depth is deep.
And depth.
One more time. Forms have three things. Forms have